Morning everyone, my name is Matt White and here I am with your tire industry tech tip for November 2025. Today I want to discuss Earthmover tire service and maintenance and lubrication of your trucks. First thing we want to start with is the PM maintenance. You should be doing them on a daily or a monthly or annual. Having the manufacturer scheduled once what to do, it's a good idea. In this one I have a Stellar. I have a model number 13,500 manipulator. Okay. So you can see in there it's got all the different PMs that you should be doing, from checking the tires to the oil, everything like that. So doing that on before you get started, just like this morning on a bright, beautiful morning, it's a good idea to check your before you start. The same, I want to talk about lubrication. On the lubrication, we'll start out with the mass bearing. On this particular, with the manipulator, you have two. Okay, this requires a special moly grease. Okay, the moly grease part number is 4460 by seller. In this case, always check with the manufacturer to make sure that you got equivalent or the right kind of grease for it. The second would be all the different Zerk fittings. You can see rotary gear all throughout the pins. This requires EP2 grease, extreme pressure 2 grease. Okay, not wheel bearing grease, not lithium grease, EP2 grease. Okay, I always recommend that you get the owner's manuals from the manufacturer of the trucks that you're using to make sure that you're getting all the different lubrication points. Remember that the service truck for large OTR tires, OTR service, is the bloodline of this industry. And not taking care of them, if they're not doing the work, then you are. So make sure you do your lubrication, do your maintenance, be safe, and have a great day.